Hi there, this is just a very quick video for anyone who's watching this who is looking for a resource of how to sort of understand and get starting trading options fast. Because the thing is, options trading, to anyone who isn't experienced with them, looks very complicated and it can be quite difficult to understand. So having a good resource that could just get you up to speed with the basics will be absolutely invaluable. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to sort of explain very quickly what options are. So options trading is all about sort of using options contracts, which is like a glorified, contract to give you the right to buy or sell a certain stock, something called the strike price by a given date. But the beautiful thing about options is that you do not have to buy the stock or sell the stock with your options contract. This is why a lot of options traders like them, because you can use them to sort of leverage positions on stocks without ever actually owning them, and you can profit from trading options without actually ever owning the underlying stock. And the other beautiful thing about options is that you can make profits whether the market or price for stock goes up or whether the price for stock goes down. This is why options are very popular amongst traders, and the smartest traders do not take silly risk with options. In fact, they use options trading to mitigate risks, because they can bet on the price going up with an option, but they can also cover their losses by betting on the price going down, so you kind of cover yourself. And there's also two kinds of options as well that you can trade. You can use call options, which gives you the right to buy a certain stock at the strike price by a certain date, but you do not have to buy it if you don't want to. You can take profits if the price of a stock goes above the strike price. And obviously you got put options, which gives you the right to sell a stock at the strike price by a certain date. So if a stock drops below the strike price, you make a profit. But with either of these options, you do not have to buy or sell a certain stock, and you can make profits without ever actually owning the stock whatsoever. So if you want to sort of go on a slightly deeper dive about options trading, I've created a free report here to start trading options fast using just one ticker. This free report I created gets you up to speed with the basics of options trading fast. It reveals how to make all the money you need in any market using a single stock. So if you want to download my free report, it's concise, straight to the point, and you can consume it in 10 to 15 minutes. And there's and there's further reading in there if you want it. And it will just get you up to speed with the basics of options, understand what they are, and how you can start trading fast. So if you want this, I'll leave this page down in the description. Just come to this page, click this button, enter your email, and you'll be able to download your free PDF, how to start trading options fast using just one ticker. So yeah, I'll leave this page down in the description. Why not get it if you want to? But if not, hope you found a little value in this video. If you did, why not give it a like, and why not subscribe to the channel? Anyway, I hope you found the video useful and informative, and I'll speak to you soon.